welcome YouTube, welcome. I don't know if you can see me good. Yeah, so you don't know, we're gonna shoot a video right now, our next YouTube video. Right now we're in our house and cook some Caesar rice. You see it? Look at the pot. Now we're gonna put ackee in it. We're gonna put onion, tomato, pepper, scallion and thyme. We're gonna put cock soup, we're gonna put coconut powder, frankfurter, and we're also gonna put lemon. We have the sweet corn, and we have the jack mackerel. So we'll start the video right now. So look what I'm going to put the frankfurter already. Yeah, so we'll start chewing the seasoning right now. And start the video. So do it for yourself, guys. It's hard to help you. So the seasoning I'm going in, I turn on the stove because the stove is too high. Alright, that is it. So I fry up the seasoning now. Pepper, I'm not really bust it, I just eat a little bit. I'm not really cut it up, I just eat a little bit pepper. And I eat that. So you have to right after that. Yeah, after done just like that. So you don't know, we'll put up the frankfurter, we're chewing the mackerel, we're not chewing them things that we're making see, you see it? So big up on yourself, heart and love, no flow. Next word. Alright guys, I don't know. Yeah, the ackee that we have on, we are going to make the ackee go and steam down. Because you know, so when we boil the ackee, we make it go and cook in the oil. We have coconut oil in there, we have onion, we have tomato, we have pepper. We have all of them good something there in there. Onion, tomato, pepper, you understand? Scallion and thyme. And what again? Onion, tomato, pepper, scallion and thyme, yeah, and that in it. So big up on yourself, and you see when I'm gonna put in the mackerel and the sweet corn, yeah, we'll see what I go and I will have the ackee done there in there already, I cook, yeah. So I'm gonna have the frankfurter left to put in, because we're gonna put in everything meanwhile we fry up everything one time. Sweet corn. And we have the jack mackerel, yeah, and we have the rice. We have everything, is it? Everything we have. So stay tuned, guys. Heart of love to everybody with there and I watch. Yeah, and June, big up yourself. Heart of love. Welcome in, my sister. Heart of love. You know. Alright guys, so you don't know, we're throwing the sachets look a while, so you know, so we're gonna put in the mackerel right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bust the mackerel and throw it in the pot, so stay tuned for that.
Oh my God!
Yes guys, so you know we're chewing the mackerel now. So we're gonna stir it up and thing. And after we done stir it up, you don't know, we turn up the heat a little bit. Then we're gonna throw in the sweet corn, then we're gonna throw in some water, then we're gonna throw in the rice after when the water start boil up, is it? Yeah, then we're gonna throw in the cock soup. No, we're not throwing the rice before we throw in the cock soup and the coconut powder. After we throw in the water, we're throwing them. Cock soup, coconut powder. Alright, so stay tuned guys, so you don't know the food there. Yeah, I will stir that. Right now, watch out the spoon. Yeah. Alright, stir that. Stir that proper. Stir it. So actually well cooked, everything well cooked, okay? Everything well cooked now. So we'll turn up the stove, look, so we show the fire in a bit of sphere. So as you can see, everything is going good. You see? Look at that. See that? Yeah, that's Aki season right. So see the fire here guys. This is the fire. Low. So what I'm gonna do now, I turn it up quicker. Throw in the sweet corn. Yeah. And then throw in some water, then I throw in them. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Is it? Me in the kitchen. You know. Alright guys, so you don't know. Yeah. We're gonna pull this and we have the tall knife. We're gonna pull this, oh my god. So we don't have a can open now. I think me have one but we can't find it, so we'll just use the knife, you know, is it? So watch how we do it with the knife. Right through. And if it flip up on you, any of the corner them flip up like it now want to open it, just press it down so and just cut. Make sure your knife sharp enough, you know. And I'm not tell you if you do it at home, but this is how me do it, is it? Yeah, so that is it. Cut the sweet corn, I don't know, we're going to throw it in. So you just want to add the water to it. Same like that. Same like how you cook 2 pounds of rice or 3 pounds of rice, that amount of water you add. Yeah, so you don't know. Add the water, we're going to put in the coconut powder now and the yeah, we'll add the water, so we're going to put in the coconut powder now and the cock soup. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm dashing the coconut powder, so time for me dashing the cock soup now. So look what I'm going. Smells so nice guys, you wanna smell it? Oh my god. Smells so nice. Oh god. Smell the aroma. Look at it. Alright guys, so a time for we'll wash the rice now and we'll start throwing the rice. So we'll have the rice, yes, I see there. Yeah, we'll have the rice, we're ready. So I wash it and throw it in. Alright guys, so we're done wash the rice as you can see. The rice done wash clean and nice. So what we're gonna do, I'll put piece of butter in the rice. So this is the butter. We're gonna put it in the water first. Yeah, and then we're gonna throw in the rice. So stay tuned for all of that. Heart of love to everybody. Make sure you subscribe, and if you reach so far in the video, make sure you like it and subscribe. Alright guys, you know done now. Yeah, the rice are steamed down now. So when I sew on the back, I when the rice done. Because I not touch the rice till it done, you know. Yeah, so when I sew on the back, I when the rice are done. You see it? So take the last look on it and big up on yourself. Soon when I eat my food. Smell the aroma. Aroma. Then come and leave the rice to steam down well good, you know. So look on it now. Okay, so you not see the rice at all, you see? But I'm going to stir it, you can see. Alright, so see rice over that side there, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but the rice that is so I stir it. Yeah, I stir it now. Yes, so the rice come up nice. See that? Nice rice. Nice seasoned rice. See, so we're going to stir the whole of the sea pepper here. We'll take out the pepper because the pepper already busted in it. See pepper? Put that one side and you'll stir the whole rice. Stir the pot still on, you know guys. Remember the stove still on, see there? Yeah, but it's on low. So you're stirring everything together. And then we'll leave it again. Because it's supposed to soothe and we'll give it about 2 more minutes or 1 more minute. Just to go and steam off the color of the water, you know? See that? Yeah, Aki Caesar rice. See that? Yeah. Frankfurt, everything and sit together. Everything mixed in, everything good. See that? Yeah, so touch me when me I share now, guys. Is it? Yeah. After all. Alright guys, so the food done as you can see. So we're gonna share the food now. Yeah, sharing time now. So when we're done share, we're gonna eat the food and make it see. So stay tuned, don't move. We're gonna get a mukbang same time. Don't move, you know. Alright, so see the rice there. So you know we're start share out the food and all. So we have the two plate them, so one is and one this. Yeah. Alright guys, so we done cook now. Yes, so the food I'm share out. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat my food right now. So see you when I eat the food. So keep on yourself safe till we start eating food. Big up on yourself. Guys, remember you subscribe, you know. Remember say subscribe. Like the video and share it. To your friend, to your family. Tell a friend, tell a family. I'm out. Alright guys, so you don't know. I'm gonna start eating food then now. So see that. Yeah, so now go there right there, so I watch me eat my food. So watch what I go on, alright? Alright guys, I don't know. We have the food there, so. Yeah. Ready to season rice now. I have the orange juice, as you can see. See it? Yes, nice. Nice. Food nice. Nice. Well, eat more left, guys. Never eat it up. Never eat it up, but I eat it up from my TikTok. Through the TikTok, never did I move good, that's why you don't know. So, I'll be yesterday. We'll start it now. Yeah, never did I move good, so you don't know. I stop it when I cook, and then I say when I don't cook, no, I go eat the food for life. So, heart love to everyone. Big up on yourself. Blessings, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'm out. Peace out.
That's a river scheme. You know the thing go out nice.
Yeah, man. Is it?
2022. We are coming.
Cool, man.
RivastreamTv. RivastreamTV. You know, God bless people from
RivastreamTV.
Yeah.
RivastreamTV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man. RivastreamTV and big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me? Hey.
Cool, man.
Click the bell, you know?
Yeah, is it, man?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man.
Cool, man. Big up, man. Every time. Cool, man.
Yeah, man. Right, so like
Nice.
Rivastream.
Yes,
You know,
man.
so we have to watch it for TV and the ever clean. Right, so like night, so.
Okay. Alright.
RivastreamTV. It's a new TV.